Welcome to Exonic Tech, your go-to spot for the most exciting and useful tech gadgets available on Amazon UK. We dive deep into the world of futuristic, life-enhancing gadgets that often fly under the radar. These aren't just cool toys. They're tools that blend style, convenience, and cutting-edge tech to make your daily life smoother, smarter, and a lot more fun. So if you love discovering gadgets that make you say, "Wait, this exists," you're in the right place. Let's get into today's lineup of 7 hidden tech gems that will absolutely blow your mind. Number 1. The floating wireless charger. Now this isn't just a charger, it's a gravity-defying piece of tech art. Picture this. You walk into your room, and your phone is literally floating in the air, spinning slowly as it charges. No cables, no cradles, no clutter. It uses magnetic levitation and precise coil alignment to wirelessly power up your phone, and it works surprisingly fast. It's not just functional, it's a conversation piece, a futuristic showstopper for your desk or nightstand. And yes, it's safe, with built-in temperature and overcharge protection. Perfect for minimalists, tech lovers, or anyone who wants their room to feel like Tony Stark lives there. Number 2. The gesture controller. Wave your hand to change songs, swipe in the air to pause a video, lift your palm to brighten the lights. This compact device uses 3D motion tracking to recognize your hand movements, letting you control multiple smart devices without ever touching a thing. Whether you're cooking with messy hands, lying in bed, or giving presentations, this gadget is both practical and futuristic. And yes, it works with smart TVs, lights, speakers, and even some smart home hubs. Just set your custom gestures through the app, and impress your friends with your Jedi-like control. Number 3. The smart mirror keychain. Looks like a cute pocket mirror, but it's hiding something brilliant. This smart mirror keychain is actually a tiny, elegant smart display. One tap, and you can check the time, weather, battery status, or even get quick notifications from your phone. Lost your keys? No worries, the built-in LED softly lights up and helps you locate them in seconds, and because it syncs with your phone via Bluetooth, it can also beep when you walk too far from it. Perfect for those of us always misplacing things. It's fashion meets function in a way that's simple, stylish, and seriously clever. Number 4. The silent bed sensor. Hate waking up to loud alarms? Meet the silent bed sensor, a paper-thin strip that slides under your mattress and tracks your sleep cycles, heart rate, and breathing patterns, all without you wearing anything. But here's the magic. It wakes you up gently at the optimal time using soft lighting, vibration, or even by slowly opening your smart blinds. This is ideal for light sleepers, couples who wake at different times, or anyone wanting to improve their sleep without smartwatches or fitness bands. All your data syncs to an app, where you can see sleep quality scores and tips to improve your rest. It's like having a sleep coach, invisibly working while you dream. Number 5. The fridge tracker magnet. The fridge tracker magnet is a smart assistant that sticks on your fridge but acts like a digital kitchen manager. Scan the barcode of your groceries, and it logs expiry dates and sends reminders when something's about to go bad. You can even input items manually via voice or the connected app. You'll waste less food, save money, and avoid the horror of discovering a spoiled milk carton at 6 a.m. And for busy households, you can sync it with your partner or family so everyone knows what's in the fridge. A game changer for weekly shopping and meal planning. Number 6. The Air Purifier Cube. This Air Purifier Cube is the size of a coffee mug, but it packs serious tech. It uses HEPA filters, UV sterilization, and activated carbon to remove dust, pollen, smoke, and even bacteria from the air. It's whisper quiet and designed for close personal spaces. Your desk, bedside table, even in the car. Plug it in via USB and breathe easier wherever you are. Perfect for allergy sufferers, pet owners, or just anyone who wants cleaner air on the go. And yes, it even glows gently in the dark for a bit of ambient light. Number 7. The GPS Smart Wallet. The GPS Smart Wallet looks like a premium leather wallet, but inside it hides real-time GPS tracking, motion alerts, and Bluetooth syncing with your phone. Left it at a cafe? Your phone buzzes. Can't find it at home? Make it ring. Got pickpocketed? Open the app and see exactly where it went. It even has RFID blocking tech to protect your contactless cards. With a sleek build, smart security, and peace of mind, it's more than just a wallet, it's your everyday companion, upgraded. Why subscribe to Exonic Tech? Because we do the hard work of finding the most useful, unique, and jaw-dropping gadgets so you don't have to. We're all about clarity, value, and honest recommendations, no confusing tech talk, just straight-up helpful content. So if you're into smart living, futuristic tools, and hidden gems from the world of tech, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching Exonic Tech, where the future is just one click away. See you in the next one.